Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Kelly. Hi if you're new. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys another unboxing. So last week I came home to this super big fun package from Southern Shirt Company and I was super excited. My mom sent me a picture because I was at school and she's like, look what came in the mail, and it's just like one of their simple blue boxes and it has like their little logo on it. And I have been a huge fan of Southern Shirt Company ever since I started my YouTube and my Instagram. They seriously just have the cutest clothes. I got hooked on their Spirit jerseys and that's how I found them, and then like ever since then they just keep releasing these super cute new designs. They have a great selection of preppy t-shirts and all their stuff is just so soft, and their team is seriously the sweetest. So they reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to share a few of their fall pieces, and I just thought it'd be really fun because I absolutely adore this brand. I will have their website listed down below along with all of their social medias in case you guys want to check them out. But we're gonna open this up. I don't know if you guys remember, but like Vineyard Vines used to do like their boxes like this where it was like their logo and stuff on it, and it was just always so much fun getting them. So this is so fun because I feel like so many companies just do like the brown box. This one's a fun box to open. So you just open it up like this, and this is everything that's inside of it. I'm so excited. So the first thing in here is this card, and it just has their little Southern shirt on it, and then it says, hey Kelly, so thrilled to work with you again. Hope you enjoy a few of our new items. Best Eric in the Southern Shirt fam. Hashtag enjoy the good life. So the first thing in here is this navy hat. We're gonna open this up. Ooh, and this is called their quilted signature cap, and it is a one size fits all. This is going to be perfect for fall. I love their logo on here. It's so cute. Like the typography is really pretty, and then it is just like a quilted look. I feel like this is going to look great with like a ponytail and just kind of like jeans, riding boots, and a t-shirt or like a vest with it. And then the back of it is Velcro. It has their little logo right there. And this is just seriously so soft, you guys. The next item in here is their corduroy sweatshirt in the color Shade. And it kind of reminds me of a blue color. You guys see that? It's kind of like a dark blue. Perfect for fall. Oh my gosh, it's so thick, you guys. So this is just kind of like a crew neck, and I got this in the size small as well. Crew neck neckline. I kind of like how it has like a little bit of a faded, like worn look. And then it's just kind of oversized. Definitely has that corduroy like its name. And then my favorite part that I noticed, it has this cute little leather Southern Shirt Company logo down in the bottom. And you guys, it has pockets. We are big fans of pockets. I love this. This is so cute. I feel like one of those comfy go-to sweatshirts. The next thing in here is this really pretty like pink colored shirt. Oh my gosh, this is like the softest thing ever. Wow. Okay, this is called their Absurdly Soft Heather Fleece. It stands true to its name. It is so soft, and this is in the color Washed Rose, and I got this in small. So that is just like the neckline. Oh my gosh, this is seriously so soft. And then it's kind of like a pinky rose color. And then it just has their little logo detail down at the bottom. I love how subtle that is because you can seriously dress up this top so much. And then it just has that little slit, which is so flattering when you're wearing jeans or leggings. Wow, this is so cute, you guys. You could definitely wear that by itself or put like an Oxford underneath it or something in case you guys wanted to dress it up. And there is one more thing in here, and this seriously looks so soft. I had a shirt from them last year like this in the same colors, and it's seriously one of my favorites. It's just like a really pretty fall top. This one is called the Knobby Knit Quarter Zip. I think the other one's called the Knobby Knit Shirt. It's like a long sleeve. And this is in the color Orchard Haze, and I got this in a size small. They have some of the cutest 1/4 zips just because they're so unique. Like I have my Shepa shirt from them, and then I have this really cute like button down one. This just has a cute little leather zipper pull, and then it has their logo over here. And this is really nice because it is pretty thick, but at the same time it's not too thick, so this will be great for those like warmer fall days. And I just love the colors. And it has another little slit up the side, which I just think so flattering. And you guys, it has pockets. Okay, I'm so excited to style all of these pieces. So a huge, massive thank you to Southern Shirt Company for sending this to me. Again, I will have it all listed down below along with their social medias and website in case you guys want to check them out. I do have a discount code which I will put on the screen for you guys. Definitely check it out. They have so many fun new fall arrivals and I'm just so excited to style this. So if you haven't already, definitely check me out on Instagram. That is where I post a lot of outfit pictures and you guys definitely don't want to miss that because I'm going to be styling these pieces and it's going to be so much fun. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I am doing daily videos for the month of October, which has been so much fun so far, so you definitely don't want to miss anything, and I'll see you guys back here tomorrow. Bye guys!